When you add metadata to images, say a keyword or a rating, this embed pending icon is going to appear on the bottom left of your thumbnail. Now, normally, when you exit the software, this box is going to pop up. This box gives you the ability to embed whatever metadata that you've added in ACDSee to the file itself. Typically, the box asks you to do this before closing the software. Now, embedding as a process takes information normally added to the database and puts this information also into the file. This is useful in the event that you've lost your database in some way. You can actually use this tool called Catalog Files, located under the Tools Metadata dropdown, to take this information from your embedded files and re-add it to your database. The point is, having embedded metadata is useful. You can turn on this embed prompt that occurs when you close the software in the options by navigating to Tools and Options. Once in the Options menu, navigate to Embed ACDSee Metadata from the File List section. Make sure to turn on Embed Metadata on shutdown. This will prompt the pop-up when you close the software. If you are editing and you want to embed metadata in the meantime, simply navigate to the Home menu. From the Home menu, click Embed Pending. Embed Pending will bring up any images that need to have their metadata embedded. If you right-click on one or all of these images, simply navigate to Metadata and embed ACDSee Metadata to do just that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.